All right, thank you, Casey. You mentioned the fire concerns, and right now more than 170 wildfires are scorching through the Carolinas, forcing people to evacuate their homes. The Carolina Forest Fire just north of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, doubled in size to 1,600 acres and is 30% contained. Officials issued a statewide burn ban Saturday as dozens of wildfires flared across the state, many of which have since been contained, but the fire threat continues for that region, including near Wilmington, North Carolina, and Charleston and Columbia, South Carolina. South Carolina's governor declared a state of emergency Sunday to support wildfire efforts across the state. And South Carolina, that's the state where some insurers have begun pulling out altogether, like what we see in Florida, California, and Louisiana as well. And now a new bill coming down the pipeline here in the Colorado Legislature is making the insurance industry nervous, and it has not even been introduced yet. A multi-layered bill like others we've reported on, it seeks to lower insurance premiums for Colorado homeowners. But unlike the other bills we've seen, the insurance industry tells me they flat out don't support much of what's being considered here without major changes.
There are some key concepts that are being outlined in this bill we haven't seen yet that have the insurance companies really nervous at a very high CEO level.
A new insurance bill causing a stir in the insurance industry.
But we have to be really careful. The stakes are high here.
This soon-to-be-introduced legislation would enact a number of changes, policies, and enterprises when it comes to home insurance.
Insurance is getting more expensive. And in many cases, people are being denied insurance policies when they apply to different companies.
Democratic State Rep Kyle Brown is the sponsor. His constituents include those impacted by the Marshall Fire.
I've been fighting for the residents of my community that lost everything in the fire.
The bill could change before it's officially introduced, but the basics for now include putting a fee on all insurance premiums to fund an enterprise to pay for hail-resistant roofing.
Because if we're really going to be serious about maintaining our homeowners insurance market and helping to deal with some of the overall costs, it's going to be about making sure that we have resilient communities.
Setting up a wildfire catastrophic fund for worst-case disasters like Waldo Canyon and Marshall for the state to help cover costs paid for by selling bonds.
A typical catastrophic event from a wildfire in Colorado is about $500 million. So we'd be looking to try to cover costs somewhere in that range.
Prior approval before insurance can raise rates, and a minimum loss ratio reinvesting profits into a fund for guaranteed coverage. For the insurance industry, aspects of the bill like prior approval are a, quote, non-starter.
We need to really focus on how do we put grant programs in place for mitigation that make sense, not on the backs of insurance companies that right now aren't making any money in Colorado, and this signals that they never will.
But Rep. Brown says his aim isn't to bankrupt insurance companies.
If we drive all the insurance companies out of Colorado, that's not good for people. So, we have to find the right balance.
Now, Rep. Kyle Brown tells me the bill will be introduced in the next 1 to 2 weeks, and we will bring you more reporting as it unfolds.